What is cracking, y'all? All right, today is January 12th. Just giving you guys a quick rundown on what is going on in the crypto world. I'm going to be covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Link, LRC, and Sub. All right, so if you guys are into those, be sure to listen to the whole video. If you guys want other coins in future videos, just drop them in the comments, and I'll give you guys a quick rundown. So starting with Bitcoin, looking at it, it's currently at this support level, which is a pretty strong support. If you noticed, we go way back. It did the same exact thing. Look at highlight the circle area right here. It did a double bounce off this support level, and then in the past, it skyrocketed up, made a leg up. So I was hoping after this double bounce that we would see a leg up, but it clearly got stopped here, and this can be considered a double top, which is super bearish. So it set a higher high. So we're in a little baby uptrend right here, down here. I can even draw those lines, but it's not looking like it doesn't have enough momentum. So if I had to judge, it's going to come back down, test this support line, which was really strong support. Bounced off it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's got solid support down here, like the 12.9 or 12.8 level. But if the bears, and we have the bearish MACD looking like it could cross, RSI trending down, we look like we're going to come down here. So as long as we stay within this trend line and don't set a lower low than, let's say, right here, if it goes past 13.5, we're coming down here to test this strong support. Hopefully it bounces off. If not, we're going to see some downside in Bitcoin, probably to test these levels over here in like the 12,000 range. So still in a massive downtrend with Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum is in a nice little uptrend. Currently, it's back testing this down, or this trend line right here. If it bounces, we could possibly see some more upside. Testing this high over here, which is 1,333, but it's at the bottom of this channel right here. So if I put on the Bollinger Bands, you can kind of see we're in the uptrend right here, but it's drifting away from the upper Bollinger Band, so that's an indicator that the uptrend is coming to an end. RSI is trending down. It needs to cool off. Bearish MACD kind of, looks like it can cross downwards. So we're definitely going to test some moving average support. Let me take an eye at the moving averages. Yeah, we're definitely going to test this, at least the 25-day moving average. If that fails, we're going to come down and test out the $1,213 mark, which right here, and we'll probably bounce off of that. I don't see Ethereum going lower than that, so we might bounce off this support right here. We might bounce off this if things get decently ugly in the next day or two, but we're probably going to hold that and then see more highs. I like Ethereum. I'm super bullish on it right now, so I'm pretty much my entire portfolio is Ethereum and altcoins. So this is good. We're in a nice solid little uptrend. Hopefully we can keep it. Moving on to Tron. Let me take off some of these. All right. So Tron's been a little bit in trouble lately. We're getting rejected off of this previous high right here. It didn't even touch it and then got rejected. So clearly in a downtrend, but we broke out of the channel, but I don't think it's enough momentum to go up and break through this previous high. So we'll probably remain in a downtrend. It's in a nice little consolidation pattern. We have a high, a lower high, a lower high, and we have a low, a higher low, and a higher low. So it kind of broke out of the channel, but we were looking for some momentum to really break out. Didn't get that, so it might consolidate here, and we're looking for pretty much we're looking for it to maintain here. If it breaks through, if it breaks through like the 8,000, or I'm sorry, I'm on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, if it breaks this level right here, and we're going to see some downside, probably testing the low of a long time. So Tron is kind of up in the air right now. We'll see what it can do, but I'd recommend what I've been doing with Tron is just I kind of sell the little highs that I have. I sell the highs, and then I just buy back in cheaper and kind of pick up an additional 200-300 coins. So if you can check out these levels, these supports, resistance, you could do nice little trades that your account value is still going down, mind you, but you're picking up 300 to 400 coins each way. So I'm coming out with a whole video on how I've been trading this bear market, so to say. And with Tron, has been fairly easy. It's a volatile one. But your account value is still going down, but you're picking up a ton of more coins. And so if you do believe in Tron, or if you do believe in any altcoin, even though your account value is going down, if you could still trade the swings and get more coins, just accumulate more coins, that's still a win. Because when the bear market's over, when the correction's over, if you believed in those alts, they're probably going to take off. So that's my theory and logic behind that. Moving into Link, one of my buddies, Kyle, wanted me to do this, so I'm showing this one for him. So we clearly in a downtrend here, but we had a huge breakout, so no longer in a downtrend. We're looking to break. We already set a higher high than this last high, so now we're going over here. Didn't quite get there, but we'll see. We still can. We still got time. But RSI is extremely overbought, so it's probably going to consolidate, cool down. MACD bearish or bullish cross, so we got the momentum right there. But I wanted to put on the Bollinger Band. As long as we ride this upper band. Once the price starts diverging from that, we know we're out of the trend. But right now, it looks like we still could see some more upside with Link. It's looking pretty good though. I look for whenever it does consolidate. It's gonna, we're looking for a higher low than this low right here. So I, look for it to consolidate somewhere around this range, and then possibly move up and test these highs over here, which would almost be an all-time high. So Link finally got the breakout that many of the bulls were looking for. We'll see if we can get out of this downtrend and into a new uptrend. But yeah, Link actually looks pretty good. Today was a great day for it. All right, moving on to LRC. Somebody in the last video wanted to do this. I think I was talking about Ripple, and they believe that this is going to be a new Ripple. I'm strictly only doing technical analysis. I have not done the white papers or any of the research on who's on the board or what the technology behind this is. But somebody put it in the comments, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for them. Clearly in a downtrend. Kind of broke out here, but now it's just kind of consolidating, just coiling up. It's going to have a move. It's going to have a move in the next day or two. If I had to guess, since it has not been setting higher highs at all, and RSI trending down, MACD looks like it could go down. I don't see LRC really. If it breaks out of this higher high right here, I guess if it breaks out of like this range right here, if it breaks through this, we'll look pretty bullish, and these next high points would be resistance levels. But at this point, if it does go down, if the bears step in and drag this thing down, look for this line right here to be support. That was the last previous support. If it falls through that, we're looking at support way down here, way down in this level. So it's kind of just coiling up. It will make a move. Depending on that move, we'll just have to wait and see. But if I had to guess, I'm going to say it's going to go down. It just had multiple failed attempts to not even get any kind of momentum going to the bull side. So I'd be cautious on LRC. If it does break down, probably a good entry point if you are a fan and you believe in that tech. Moving on to Sub. Sub was another one that my boy Kyle wanted me to do. So Sub is, let's look at this. So clearly we had a pretty long downtrend right here, but we kind of broke out of that channel in consolidation. It held the support twice and had a leg up, and it set a higher high than the previous one. So now we're back into an uptrend. The only thing is that it's kind of the low is barely higher than the previous low. So clear support is right here, this line right here. And we'll see. It's literally at the edge of this channel right here, so it could break down to the bear side and test the support here. If we lose that, we're testing down here at these two lows, or kind of right here. Probably put that right there. So support levels, just keep an eye on them. Sub, we could see a leg up here and have a higher high, and that would indicate that we're still in the uptrend. But it's a skinny channel. I don't know if I'm not gonna weight that too heavily. So from the looks of it, we're still in a downtrend, and once things pan out, you can even obviously draw it from here. So still in a downtrend, not super bullish on Sub yet. This is the one that I actually did look into the tech though, and so I'm actually a fan. So I'm gonna kind of let the next couple of days play out and see if I can grab this a little bit cheaper, maybe at this support level. But that's the recap for Friday, January 12th, guys. Feel free to leave comments, feedback. If you want a coin checked out, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.